Trying to remember every line while looking straight into the camera can lead to mistakes, awkward pauses, and way too many retakes. A good teleprompter keeps the script right in front of you so you can speak with confidence, maintain natural eye contact, and create smoother, more professional videos, courses, and live streams. In this video, I'll be showing you the 5 best teleprompters for content creators available right now and helping you choose the right one for recording YouTube videos, hosting live streams, teaching online courses, and delivering presentations with confidence. If you'd like to check the latest prices or learn more about any of these teleprompters, you'll find all the links in the video description and in the first comment below. Let's start with the iLight PRO Teleprompter, a rugged aluminum option that comes with a highly customizable app for managing scripts. Its professional HD beam splitter glass is about 0.16 inches thick, producing a bright, sharp reflection that's easy to read. The no-leak hood also blocks unwanted light, helping the text remain clear throughout the recording. The included app offers plenty of flexibility. You can import several file formats from Google Drive, iCloud, or OneDrive, then customize the script with colors, bold text, italics, underlining, and lists. It also lets you adjust the font size, scrolling speed, margins, screen orientation, and mirror mode. The Bluetooth remote makes it easy to record without an assistant. You can play, pause, move forward or backward, jump between markers, and change the font or scrolling speed while presenting. After the first pairing, it reconnects automatically, saving time before every session. Another useful feature is the adjustable glass, which tilts through a range of up to 90 degrees. This makes it easier to center the lens and prevent the edges from appearing in the shot. Its adjustable camera platform and reinforced supports also keep everything steady when switching setups. The sliding tray holds smartphones and tablets measuring up to 7.9 by 10.2 inches, including the 11-inch iPad Pro. A universal tripod thread supports DSLR cameras, camcorders, webcams, and action cameras, while the side slots provide room for lights and microphones. Built from 0.16-inch aluminum panels with a textured finish, this model arrives fully assembled. It works on a table or tripod and folds down in about 4 seconds. A smartphone holder and carrying bag are included, making it a durable and travel-friendly choice for studio or outdoor recording. Next up, we have the Elgato Prompter, an all-in-one option with a built-in display for scripts, chats, and video calls, so there's no need to add a separate tablet. Instead of placing another screen under the glass, you can simply drag any script, app, or window from your computer onto the prompter, just like using a second monitor. This keeps the setup clean and makes switching between content much easier. Its standout feature is voice sync, which automatically scrolls the script at the same pace as the presenter's voice. When they stop speaking, the text pauses too, creating a smoother reading experience without needing a remote. It's also great for video calls. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet can appear directly in front of the camera lens, letting users see everyone while maintaining natural eye contact. Streamers can place their Twitch chat on the display as well, making it easier to respond without constantly looking away. The free Camera Hub software lets you organize scripts into chapters and adjust the font size, margins, background, position, transparency, and scrolling speed. It also works with Stream Deck, allowing creators to start the script, change brightness, or control scrolling with buttons, dials, or even a foot pedal. Compatibility is another strong point. It supports DSLR and mirrorless cameras, webcams, camcorders, and action cameras. The package includes 9 lens rings ranging from 49 to 82 millimeters. Everything runs through a single USB-C cable that carries both power and content. It weighs just 1.52 pounds and comes with mounting brackets, adapters, screws, a cleaning cloth, and a 6.6-foot USB 3.0 cable. It's a powerful choice for creators, streamers, and professionals who want more than a traditional teleprompter. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the NEEWER X12 Teleprompter, a durable model with a large 14-inch glass panel that makes scripts comfortable to read from farther away. The beam splitter glass allows 75% of the light to pass through while keeping the text sharp enough to read from up to 10 feet away. This helps presenters maintain natural eye contact with the camera instead of constantly looking down. The included remote lets you control everything without touching the tablet. You can start or pause the script, change pages, adjust the font size, and speed up or slow down the scrolling. It connects through Bluetooth inside the NEEWER app, making solo recording much easier. The app lets you write or import scripts, customize the font and colors, change the reading speed, and adjust text alignment. It works with iOS 11 and Android 6 or newer. The extendable tray supports smartphones and tablets up to 9.84 by 8.66 inches, including Samsung and Huawei devices, along with the 11-inch iPad Pro. The camera sits on a padded, adjustable platform, helping you center the lens behind the glass. Its hood uses Velcro and a drawstring to block unwanted light from entering around the sides. Keep in mind that it requires lenses longer than 28mm, so it isn't designed for ultra-wide-angle setups. Its aluminum alloy frame provides enough stability to hold the camera, tablet, and additional accessories. You also get 2 cold shoe mounts and quarter-inch threads for attaching a microphone, LED light, or other gear. Setup only takes a few minutes, and the unit folds down when you're done. It includes a hard carrying case, smartphone holder, and cleaning cloth, making it a solid choice for online courses, interviews, presentations, and creators who need a sturdy teleprompter that's easy to transport. Now let's move on to the LENSGO TC7 Teleprompter, a lightweight, foldable option that's compact enough to fit inside a backpack. Its specially coated beam splitter glass allows 75% light transmission, reflects text clearly without noticeably shifting colors, and remains readable from up to 10 feet away. That makes it easier to follow a script while maintaining direct eye contact with the camera. The included remote is especially helpful when recording alone. It lets you play or pause the script, change pages, and adjust the scrolling speed without touching the phone or tablet. Through the free app for iOS and Android, you can also change the font size and color, select a background, and activate mirror mode. Creating scripts is straightforward. You can type directly inside the app, paste content from another source, or import a standard text file. Images can be uploaded too, but their text size can't be adjusted, so editable documents are usually the better choice. This model supports smartphones and tablets up to 9.7 inches, along with DSLR and mirrorless cameras. The package includes a phone holder, 6 light-blocking rings for smartphones, and 9 lens adapters ranging from 49 to 82 millimeters. It even works with lenses as wide as 17 millimeters, making it useful for wider shots or smaller recording spaces. Another great feature is its 1-second folding design. The glass opens to a 45-degree angle, and once folded, the entire unit measures only about 1.4 inches thick, so it's easy to carry between locations. It also includes a quarter-inch tripod thread and a cold shoe mount for adding a microphone or light. Smartphones can be positioned horizontally or vertically, giving creators more flexibility for YouTube videos, interviews, online courses, live streams, and social media content. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the NEEWER X12 Teleprompter, a ready-to-use option that arrives fully assembled and can be prepared for recording in just a few minutes. Its 12-inch beam splitter glass reflects scripts clearly and remains readable from up to 10 feet away. It also provides 75% light transmission, helping the camera maintain good brightness and image quality while recording through the glass. One of its most useful features is the Bluetooth remote. It lets you play or pause the script, move between pages, adjust the scrolling speed, and change the font size without walking over to the tablet. The quiet buttons also help prevent unwanted noise, which is especially helpful when one person is handling both presenting and recording. The NEEWER Teleprompter app lets you edit scripts on the fly and customize the reading experience to match your pace. It works with devices running iOS 11 or Android 6 and newer. Since the unit comes assembled, you only need to place it on a tripod, unfold it, and position the camera. Its camera platform can be raised by up to 2.8 inches, while the adjustable sections help center different cameras and lenses behind the glass. It supports DSLR and mirrorless cameras, along with tablets measuring up to 9.84 by 8.66 inches, including the 11-inch iPad Pro. However, it doesn't support the 12.9-inch iPad Pro and isn't designed for shooting with a smartphone. The aluminum alloy frame feels stable and durable without being overly bulky. When the recording is finished, it folds nearly flat and fits inside the included padded carrying case. This makes it a practical choice for YouTube videos, online courses, tutorials, presentations, and creators who regularly move between studio and on-location shoots. That's it for today's video. Hopefully it helped you find the right teleprompter for reading scripts naturally, maintaining eye contact, and creating polished content without memorizing every single line. Let us know in the comments which teleprompter is your favorite, or if there's another model you'd like to see in a future comparison. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and content creation gear. If you'd like to check the latest prices or learn more about any of these teleprompters, you'll find all the links in the video description and in the first comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.